Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Among Us emergency meeting button. So let's get started. To draw this emergency meeting, let's first start by drawing the hand. So I'm going to come right here at the top and I'm going to draw a curve. So this is going to be the top of the hand. Draw a curve, comes down. And then from here I'm going to come down and go up a little bit. So we're going to start the thumb over here and curve in. So that's a thumb. And let's bring this down about this much. And so we just want to draw this curve right here, and we're going to start with a thumb over here, and then we're going to get really close right here, and I'm going to start to bring the index finger down. So just draw a curve and we're going to bring it out. So then on this side, so we're just going to go back and forth because we do need to fit 4 fingers right here. So now that I have this angle, I'm going to bring it out, and this is going to be about the length of my index finger. So I'll bring it in, and my pinky is not as long, so I'll come about right here and end it. So let's see here. We're going to make them about this thick, and I'll just bring it in and bring this in. So totally simplifying the hand. So about right there, we're pretty much even. We're going to start to draw. Let's see here. Let's come over here. We have 2 that we need to fit in here. So I'm going to curve this area right here, come down, and go up. So middle finger right here, go right back up, and we're still about the same area, and then we're going to draw the ring finger. So go right here, once again, and go up. Something like that. It's not exact, so remember, we're just simplifying this. And so we just want a nice open with the thumb right here flared out a little bit. And if you like, you can come in here and you kind of like where the finger would bend a little bit. We just add some lines right here just for indication. And then that is pretty much it for the hand. And now to draw the button right underneath. So underneath these 4 fingers, I'm going to start about right here and draw an oval. So come right across, so right underneath, draw a big oval. There. So this is going to be the top of our button. Then let's bring it down nice and thick on both sides, and then connect it once again. So just follow your top and connect. So we have the button in. Now, let's see here. Let's see what's a little bit easier way to draw this. I'm going to come to the sides right here. About right here, I'll draw a straight line across. And I'll imagine this coming through. So about right here, I'll draw another straight line. So we're starting to draw the base for our button, and then I'll bring this out at an angle, and so about right here. So I'm going to try to follow that angle as well, and about right there. Now that we're pretty even, I'm going to come right across and connect it. Take a look at my camera here, make sure I'm kind of going as straight as possible. Okay, so now we have the base for our button. So then let's come out once again. I'm going to draw the bottom part of our base. So right here, same thing. And now pretty much same level. And I'll go ahead and connect it. And now for this side, so we're going to go out this way. And then we're going to kind of follow that angle. So about right there, I'll stop and connect. And so same thing over here. So about right here. And connect. And then one more. So we're going to connect up here now. And come right across. There, something like that. Okay, so we have a base. So then from there, we're going to have to draw this lid here for the case. So I'm going to come right here. This is the points, 2 points where we're going to start our case. So let's come from, let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw in an angle and right here. You know what, I'm just going to use this line so it doesn't get too complicated. I'll just use that line and just imagine going up. So I want to kind of make sense. So it's about this length. So when you come, I'll just say about right here. I'll just give myself a point about right there because it's easier for my hand to draw it downwards. So I'll just go from there and connect. So definitely turn your paper if you need to. And I'm going to try to follow this angle. So let's see here. Hope I'm not making too much of a mess. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then connect. And then let's see here. We're going to come out here. Bring in an angle line right there. And same thing here. And then we're going to connect. So this is the bottom base right here. So this rectangle right here. And then from there we're going to go up. So I'll just say about right here. And I'm just following this angle. I know it looks complicated. Hope I'm not making it complicated. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect right here and right here. So I'm following this, and then from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect this part. To follow that, and then bring it right back down. There, we did it. Kind of nice and wobbly. just the idea. So we've created this case right here, this lid. You can always come back in here and fix your angles. But this part right here, then another piece, and then comes out, and these 2 angles. From there, I'm going to come right here and just quickly draw some stripes. Just to decorate it. And some are going to go this way on this side. And I'll just pretend we don't see that, and I'll just maybe color that one. Yeah, I'll do that when I color. I don't want to muddle it up. But that's pretty much it for the button. So then now to draw the Among Us character. So the crewmate or imposter, I'm going to come, say about right here. And I'll just draw a curve. So it's kind of like the table. And it's going to come through about right here. So I'm just kind of following this image that I found for this emergency meeting and trying to simplify it to help you draw it. Hopefully it's helping. And I'm not making overcomplicated. Okay, so we have this big curve. Now we can go ahead and draw our crewmate here. So let's say about right here. And I'm going to come right here and go up. And so this crewmate here is kind of at this angle, so it's going to get thinner and it's wider down here. So come right about right here, round it off, And if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish that curve. But because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to stop about right there. And towards this top part, I'm going to draw in an angle for the visor area. I'll round it off. And about right here, round it off again. Bring in a curve. And then just go ahead and connect this visor right here and curve. And then imagine it overlap, bring it down, and just finish it off. There. So you just want to make sure this part is thinner than this bottom part right here. That's the goal. And then the pack. So about right here, I'll go ahead and also draw a slight angle and bring it down. There, so now it definitely looks like Among Us. It's complete with the pack, right? And that is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw this emergency meeting button with this crewmate right here about to have an emergency meeting. So thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.